this is Lalita ma'am and welcome to my channel Mastermind. Today I have brought up the second video for basic math series, and in this video we are going to discuss about rules for subtraction of integers. For the previous topic, the link is provided in the description box and in the comment section. So please go and watch the previous video so that this video will be to understand this concept will be more easier for you. And basically in this basic math series I'll come up with the topics of all the basic concepts of maths in which students face problem. Okay, so without delay, but yes, before we move further, let us like, share and subscribe to my channel Mastermind and help me spreading this channel to maximum people. Okay, so let us start the rules for subtraction of integers. Now rule 1. Rule 1 says that keep the first number as it is. Now the first number we also call it as minuend. Yes, keep the first number as it is. You don't have to disturb the first number. Now rule 2. Once you keep the first number, just keep it as it is and leave it. Then change the subtraction sign to addition sign. Okay. The second thing which you have to do is the subtraction sign that you have. Let us say 5 is the first number and there is a subtraction sign after 5. So what you have to do? You have to change it to positive. Subtraction, you have to make it addition. Then change the sign of the last number to the opposite sign. So suppose initially this was 5 minus 3. Okay, so what you have to do is leave this number as it is, 5. Second rule, change the subtraction sign to addition sign. Then this number, last number, this number's sign will be changed to opposite. Means if it is positive, you will write here negative 3, and if here we have negative 3, we'll make it positive 3. Fine. So these are the 3 rules. Now after you do this, you have to follow all the rules of addition of integers, which we have already watched in the first video of this series. Okay, let us revise once what to do after this. Okay, now let us take an example to understand the subtraction of integers, rules for subtraction of integers. According to rule 1, keep the first number as it is. So let us write minus 4 as it is. Then change the negative sign to positive sign. Means instead of negative sign, we will write here positive sign. After that, the last number, here the last number is negative 3. What we have to do with the last number? We have to change the sign of last number. Means if this is negative number, so its sign will be changed to positive. Now after you do this, you have to follow the same rules for addition of integers. Now according to the rules of addition of integers which we have discussed in the previous video, if one number is negative, other number is positive, then what we have to do? We have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So here 4 minus 3 will be 1 and put the sign of bigger number. So bigger number has negative sign, so answer will be negative 1. Now one more example. This was our example 1. Now let us say example 2. 8 minus 4. This is our subtraction. Okay, this is very simple. As we have been subtracting since childhood, so we can easily say that its answer will be 4. But let us follow the rules and then solve it. So keep the first number as it is, 8. Then subtract, like negative sign will be changed to positive sign. Okay, fine. Second rule is done. Now third rule is you have to change the sign of the next number. So next number is 4. So we will make it negative 4. Then what we have to do? We have to follow the rules of addition of integers, because now this question has become the question for addition of integers. So one is negative, other one is positive. So bigger number minus smaller number will be 8 minus 4, that is 4, and put the sign of bigger number. Bigger number has positive sign, so plus 4, or simply we can write it as 4. See, we have got the same answer. So in this way we will solve the questions based on questions for subtraction of integers on the basis of the rules. Okay, so if you follow the rules, then definitely this becomes very easy. I hope you all have understood today's concept. So if you have liked my video, then please subscribe, share and like to my video. And yes, please do not forget to share it to the maximum people. Thank you. Bye bye.